Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a builder game in PKXD. First, navigate to your house in the game. This is your personal canvas for creation. You'll find a vast array of furniture, decorations, and structural elements available to purchase and place. Think about the kind of game you want to build. Will it be a maze, a puzzle, or a role-playing scenario? The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination and the game's robust building tools. Once you're in your house, it's time to start designing. Begin by selecting a theme, perhaps a futuristic city, a cozy forest, or a challenging obstacle course. Use the in-game editor to place walls, floors, and various objects. Remember to think about how players will navigate your space. Create clear paths, but also introduce elements that require thought or interaction. Experiment with different layouts to achieve your desired game flow and aesthetic. To make your builder game truly engaging, add interactive elements. PKXD offers a variety of items that players can interact with, such as trampolines for jumping, teleporters for instant travel, and even hidden switches. You can design simple puzzles, like finding a key to unlock a door, or more complex challenges. Strategically place collectible items to encourage exploration. These interactive features transform your house from a static display into a dynamic game experience for everyone. After building, it's crucial to test your game. Invite a few friends to explore your creation and give you honest feedback. Watch how they navigate, what they find challenging, and what they enjoy most. This feedback is invaluable for refining your design. Don't be afraid to make adjustments. Even small tweaks can significantly improve the player experience. Once you're satisfied, publish your builder game for the entire PKXD community to discover and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.